After the December tornadoes, many are still working to rebuild, and that includes Mount Olive Missionary Baptist Church in Clarksville that was heavily damaged by the storm. Our Nikki Hauser shows us how a special fundraiser tonight is helping.
This is the place where song will fill the space inside this church, and people will gather to celebrate and to support one resilient congregation that means a whole lot to this community. Many will tell you a church is its people.
God, we know that you're going to bless Mount Olive with every material that they need.
And while the people that make up Mount Olive Missionary Baptist Church aren't in their usual spot,
the building is just where we meet.
They will always come together.
It's hard sometimes, you know, when you've been attached to something, a building in your own place.
It's been a tough reality for Pastor David Allen to face. After the December tornadoes destroyed his place of prayer, tearing off the roof and damaging everything inside.
We just have each other. We uphold each other. We're here for each other.
We've been there a couple of times before, so it was a little personal for us as well.
After the tornado, after the shock, it was roll your sleeves up and let's get to work.
Just 2 months later, that's the idea. Everyone that makes up Mount Olive is pitching in to get back to their mission.
You know, there are some people that believe, you know, they say, well, I only have 5, I only have 10, but you know, when you take 100 people and they give 5, you know, it starts to add up.
All the money from Saturday's gospel benefit concert will help rebuild their house of God. A community effort, of course, because we all know.
The people, we are the church.
We are the church. We are Mount Olive.
Nikki Hauser, News Channel 5.
Pastor Allen says Mount Olive has already raised a couple $1,000s. If you'd like to donate, you can find out how on newschannel5.com.